Good morning all of you. Today we shall learn about pronouns. But before I discuss about pronouns, let me write a few sentences here. Ram is a good boy. Ram is my friend. In the second sentence you see, I have repeated Ram. So instead of repeating it, I can use another word, he. I can substitute it for Ram. So this substitution, that is the word which has been used in place of naming word Ram, is known as pronoun. This is a pronoun. So the word pronoun means the words which are used in place of a naming word or a noun. The word pronoun consists of two words, pro, noun. Pro means for, noun, naming word. So the words which are used in place of a naming word or noun are known as pronouns. So there are different kinds of pronouns which we shall discuss now. The first one is personal pronoun. Okay? Personal pronoun. Number one is personal pronoun. As the word suggests, these pronouns are known as personal pronouns because they are used for persons. There are three persons in English. First person, second person, third person. First person singular number is I, me and mine. Plural number is we, us, ours. Second person singular number is you, yours. Plural is also the same, you, yours. Third person singular number is he, him, his. She, her, hers. It, its. And plural number is they, them, theirs. So these are all personal pronouns. And now second type of pronouns which are very important and you must know them are possessive pronouns. Second type of pronouns are possessive pronouns. As the word suggests, they show the possessions and that's why they are known as possessive pronouns. And possessives are also of two types. One is possessive adjective, another is possessive pronouns. Our matter of discussion is possessive pronouns only. So you see the possessive form, the personal pronoun and the possessive form I, my, mine. These are, my is possessive adjective, whereas mine is possessive pronoun. Okay? Then we, our is adjective form, ours is pronoun form. You, your is adjective form, pronoun form is yours. Similarly, he, his adjective form, pronoun form is also the same, his. She, her adjective, hers pronoun form. It, adjective form as well as pronoun form is also the same. Then they, their, theirs. So these are all adjectives, whereas these are all pronouns. Why are the pronouns? They can be used alone. One example I am giving you for your better understanding. This is my book. Here my is an adjective because it is used before a naming word book. But this book is mine. Here in the second sentence, mine is a pronoun because there is no naming word or noun after it. It is used alone. So third type of pronouns are demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. Number 3 is demonstrative pronouns. Okay? as the word suggests, they are used to demonstrate the objects or nouns and naming words. These, that, these and those are known as demonstrative pronouns. One example I am giving you. This is a good book. Here the pronoun this has been used for book. So this is a demonstrative pronoun. Number 4 is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns. They are used to reflect back the actions of the doer or the naming words. I reflexive pronoun is myself, we, ourselves, you, yourself or yourselves, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself, they, themselves. So these are all reflexive pronoun forms of the personal pronouns. One example I am giving you. I did the work myself. Okay? So here myself reflects back the action done by me. So these are all called reflexive pronoun. The fourth type of pronoun which we are going to discuss now are interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. So they are used to ask questions. Who, which, what, and whose are known as interrogative pronouns. One example I am giving you. Who is your class teacher? Okay? Who is your class teacher? So here, who has been used to ask a question. Okay? So this is an interrogative pronoun. The next one is relative pronouns. They are used to show the relationship between two sentences, or they are used to join or combine two sentences also. Who, which, whose, that, etc. are known as relative pronouns. They are used to join two sentences. How? Let me just give you some example. This is the book. This is the book which you gave me yesterday. So here which, the word which has been used to join two sentences. First sentence is this is the book, and second sentence is you gave me yesterday. So these two sentences are joined by the relative pronoun which. Okay? I hope you might have understood these 6 different types of pronouns, and based on these pronouns some assignments will be given to you, and I hope you will do them sincerely. Thank you all.